Our planet is covered in many shapes and features called landforms. These are natural, not man-made, and are formed by powerful forces of nature over time. Landforms include mountains, valleys, deserts, coastlines, plains, and canyons. Each landform tells a story about how it was created, by water, wind, ice, or the movement of the ground. If you could fly above Earth, you'd see a patchwork of tall peaks, low valleys, and everything in between. Landforms shape the world around us, creating homes for plants, animals, and people. In this video, we'll focus on two of the most dramatic landforms, mountains and valleys. Mountains reach high into the sky. Valleys rest low on the ground. They're opposites, yet often found together. We'll learn what makes a mountain and a valley a valley. We'll discover how they form and see some famous examples. Ready to explore the highest peaks and lowest dips on Earth? Let's begin our journey. Mountains are giant landforms that rise high above the land around them. They're much taller than hills, with steep sides and a peak or summit. Mountains often form long chains called ranges, stretching for hundreds or thousands of miles. Famous examples include Mount Everest in Asia, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, the Rockies in North America, and the Alps in Europe. Most mountains are created when huge pieces of Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, slowly push together, forcing land upward. This process forms fold mountains like the Himalayas. Some mountains are volcanoes, built up by eruptions of magma that cools and hardens into rock, like Mount Fuji in Japan. These powerful forces show how Earth is always shaping its surface. Mountains are some of the oldest and most impressive features on our planet. They inspire adventure and awe wherever they rise. Valleys are low areas between hills or mountains, often with a river or stream running through them. They can be deep and steep or wide and gentle. Famous valleys include the Grand Canyon in the US, Napa Valley in California, and Lauterbrunnen Valley in Switzerland. Most valleys are carved by water. Rivers erode rock over millions of years, creating V-shaped valleys. Glaciers or slow-moving rivers of ice can carve wide, flat-bottomed U-shaped valleys. Water and ice are the main creators of valleys, shaping the land as they move. Valleys are peaceful lowlands, rich in life and history. They contrast with the rugged heights of mountains, but are just as important. Valleys show the power of nature to carve and transform the earth. Mountains and valleys are opposites. One rises high, the other dips low. Mountains are defined by their height and steep rocky sides. Valleys by their depth and open flat floors. You can't have one without the other. Mountains create the space for valleys to form. Rivers often begin in mountains, then flow down to carve valleys below. Both are shaped by the same natural forces, tectonic movement, water, wind, and ice. Erosion wears down mountains and deepens valleys, constantly changing the landscape. Mountains and valleys are part of the same system, a partnership of high and low. They're always evolving, sculpted by nature's power. Whether you look up at a mountain or down into a valley, you're seeing Earth's story in action. Their connection makes our world dynamic and beautiful. Together, they define the landscapes we know and love. Mountains and valleys are more than scenery. They're vital for life on Earth. Mountains store water as snow and ice, releasing it to rivers that flow through valleys, providing water for people, farms, and wildlife. These landforms create diverse habitats, from forests on mountain slopes to fertile valley floors. Valleys are often lush and green, perfect for farming and settlement. Mountains can act as natural borders and protect regions, while valleys have long been centers of human civilization. Both provide resources like water, minerals, and timber. They offer places for adventure, inspiration, and connection with nature. Mountains and valleys shape cultures, histories, and the environment. They remind us of Earth's power and beauty. Our planet's peaks and valleys make it a truly special home.